One, leaving Sapa. We've already went around the curve. I'm now recording in 8K. I no longer have a cracked camera. And we are driving the, what is it called? We are driving the Quy Ho Pass. I'm headed to Mu Cang Chai. So I have to be a lot more careful with how much I record because I don't have a lot of time now. But the quality should be much better, the audio should be much better. I have a new camera, so let's do it. And I gotta be a lot more careful with this map this time. But, see how I perform. And we finally have a sunny day, not cloudy day. We'll see how the path is, but this is the best ever seen this area driving around. Kind of insane. About to drive this path that goes all the way around this mountain. As you can see, construction coming down in front of me right now. Wow, I'm so happy to be back on the road. I was in Sapa for 8 days. Golly, man, my favorite part of Vietnam is driving around. Like, after 2 months of doing this, I have been reassured that the most beautiful part is riding around, going through the villages, seeing the local people. Cities are awesome, don't get me wrong. Just being on the road. So I think I'm going to record this pass, video 1, and I will probably not record until I get close to Mu Cang Chai. That's kind of the plan for now. I don't have a lot of video space, and my main goal is to record the drive into Azua. That place is fucking magical. Buffalo. As we come up in front of us, one of the main attractions on the Quy Pass, however you say it, there's a big waterfall right here. It's pretty touristy, it's an amazing day. We might have quite a lot of people here today. First time I came here, I stopped right here, flew my drone up, got a video of the waterfall, never actually went. I'm not a huge fan of going to places that are really easy accessible because you end up with loads of people there. Which I don't love, but it doesn't look like there's crazy amounts of people here yet. That's where you go over there. They have like a whole market section. Yeah. Alright, let's get going on this path. Very curious to see how the audio sounds on this new camera. I did a few tests in Sapa, but I haven't really checked it yet, and I haven't seen how it sounds while I'm driving, because on the other camera you could hear it. It wasn't terrible, but assuming this one has better audio quality, it's got better video quality, I'm sure it's better camera all around. The problem with this camera is there's a smaller version of the 4, so I have the 4 Air, so it doesn't do like high quality, it's still good quality, but it doesn't do like insane quality pictures, 360 pictures, but who cares, man? I got damn near $2,000, $3,000 camera to take that photo, so this is for the video. Replaceable. Thank God. That was a struggle on the last camera. There's another baby waterfall right there. still listening to that Don Tolliver album. Just get me through the days, get me through the drives, it's been nice. Waiting on that new mic to drop though, the in-between. Come on man, we need that shit. We need that shit! I'm telling you. I'm vibing that while traveling. Yeah, if you go take a right here, which I did yesterday, you can overlook that road and that waterfall. It's really nice. That's totally different. I drove this past here. I can't see anything. It's just straight fog and space. Look at that. See it right above our head. Going through here a little bit. We passed the highest point. We should start going down. This is what a golden boot is. Good view right here on the left. Yeah, there it is. Can't see it. It's a bit foggy a little bit, but now we are going down. We should get right out of the fog quickly. Hopefully. Be able to see the view, or I'm going to be back. Still the sun. Come on, how low do we gotta go? Alright. Here we are. Okay, now the rest of the drive should be downhill, which means the fog should be above us. Hopefully. Oh yeah, that's fucking beautiful. Make a quick stop to the side here so you can see. I don't know if you can see down there, but that's the road we're going down all the way around. Absolutely incredible. We're at 8 minutes on this video, but I think we can render longer now. The glass bridge looks good today as well. It's nice where you can actually see that. We might go with a little bit longer videos. Very curious to see how the audio sounds. I love this, man. I've captured a few really amazing moments so far with this camera. It's been awesome. Sometimes you never know what's going to happen while you're driving. One of those is dropping the bike while I was trying to go through the mud. A little town north of Fanya. I can't even remember what it's called now. Look at that glass bridge there, man. It's crazy. Handmade elevator going up to the top of that. I did that once before a few years ago. It was completely covered in fog and I couldn't see shit. So it wasn't the best experience. Now it's much better, but I'm gonna be honest, after doing that, like the longest glass bridge in the world that made you wear the socks, so that the glass was like amazingly, it was perfect. That one up there, it could be dirty because they don't, like, I'm sure they clean it, but you don't wear anything on your shoes or anything like that. Wow, look at that, that's pretty cool to see as I'm driving. That was the mountain pass, so we've passed it. Now we are driving on the other side of the mountain as we go down this hill and around into the village that holds the Sapa waterfall, which I went to yesterday. Got a drone video there as well. And then we will take a left, basically just going down one road all the way down into Mu Cang Chai. I probably won't record much of that. I need to save my space on this camera. These files are massive in 8K. Like I have a 256 gig SD card, and like I don't have that many videos on it right now, and it says I only have like an hour and 10 minutes. Let me be careful. I hate these fucking trucks that drop water. Makes it so scary to drive on the road. You never know. Look at that cloud forming. Crazy, I was talking to somebody yesterday about this, but it feels like the weather up here in Sapa is like fast forward, like 100x. Like if you have sun or rain somewhere else and it's like an hour or two, here you might see the sun or rain for 14 seconds. Like it's insane. Like look, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but these clouds are moving ridiculously fast. Like everything is so fast up here, which makes it damn near impossible to predict the weather, to be honest. I need to get around this guy fast for the sake of these videos. But let's do it safely. This is where you stop, you go up. Probably the most popular part. Like look at that. That means there's like hundreds of people out there. All these buses, all this floor. There's a big waterfall here as well. Look at the view, man. Oh, it's so nice. What a day we have today. It is beautiful. Now being able to record bigger files means less I can record, which means more I have to upload and export. So I got to be on top of it more with this camera, that's for sure. Can't just record for multiple days without uploading, but that's also going to dictate how good the internet is where I'm going. When I was there in Tazua, the internet was pretty good, but I'm actually staying at a different place this time. And the weather is showing nothing but sun, not even clouds, which is kind of hard to fathom. But I'm so excited to be back there. And then 3 days there, unless something changes, and then off to Taipei. See how high I was, but now look, up there you can see the elevator to my left. Going up to that bridge. It's only going to get higher and higher as we continue to go down this hill. Beautiful, man. So nice. Not too cold, not raining, not foggy. See everything. As I can hear Don Tolliver in my ear saying, "Why would I play if I know that shit slaps?" You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So you go. How long is this video? 15 minutes. Alright, let's get to 20, cut this one off, maybe start a new one, and that would be the last one before we get close to Mu Cang Chai. That's steep, but see if we can stop here without getting hit by anybody. Give you a view off this edge. Wow, man, it is absolutely beautiful. And we just came from up there in those clouds. It's insane. So beautiful out here. Oh, it feels so good with the sun, man. This is why I decided to drive on this day as well. I knew I would have sun. I didn't want to drive in the rain. I wanted to drive this path. It's rare that you can see it without fog. You gotta have good days, which I've been having a bunch of bad ones. And we're gonna get to Kazua with good weather, which is gonna be amazing. Get to see that dinosaur spine, get to wake up above the clouds, enjoy the coffee, go to some other viewpoints that I wanted to go to. I didn't really get to do too much because the weather was just really bad, so let's get that done. I hate how the road is like this. I feel like I could just slip on those spots. I would rather the whole road be wet, just like that. Makes me feel like I can drive fast, which I probably shouldn't. Can't see shit. It's slow as fuck. So annoying. There we go. And the roads look cleared up here. I don't know if it was those guys dropping the water. Oh yeah, that's the path. We just drove it. Very excited to do this in Taijang. Be able to see some of these absolutely incredible places as we take it slow and not get caught by the police.